Chhattisgarh road accident preliminary findings indicate that the car's driver may have fallen asleep while driving. Losing control, the vehicle crossed the road divider and swerved into the opposite lane, where it crashed head-on into a speeding truck. In a devastating accident in Chhattisgarh's Rajnandgaon district on Friday morning, August 15, 6 people lost their lives and 1 sustained serious injuries when a car collided head-on with a truck near Chhattisgarh village under the Bagnati police station limits. According to Rajnandgaon Superintendent of Police SP Mohit Garg, the accident occurred around 5:30 a.m. A group of 7 friends, aged between 25 and 34 years, had embarked on an interstate trip from Madhya Pradesh's Indore. After visiting Ujjain, they were heading to Puri, Odisha, via Chhattisgarh when the tragedy struck. Additional SP Rahul Dev Sharma said, "Today around 5 o'clock a.m., 7 people were traveling in an Ertiga car in Chhattisgarh village under Bagnati police station area. That car met with an accident in which 6 people died, and 1 is undergoing treatment. That car was going from Nagpur to Raipur. It crossed the divider and collided with a truck." Preliminary investigations suggest that the car's driver may have dozed off behind the wheel. The vehicle reportedly jumped the road divider and veered into the opposite lane, colliding with an oncoming truck at high speed. 5 passengers died instantly at the scene, while another succumbed to his injuries shortly after being taken to a nearby hospital. The car's driver, who suffered critical injuries, was admitted to the Medical College Hospital for urgent treatment. Police have identified 5 of the deceased, as the identity of the 6th victim is yet to be confirmed. Authorities are conducting a detailed probe into the accident, examining whether driver fatigue, overspeeding, or other factors contributed to the deadly crash. The condition of the injured driver remains